everyone, welcome back to our science class. In our previous video, we already started chapter 6 Health and Diseases. In that, we learned about types of diseases. Today we are going to continue same chapter with non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Let's begin our chapter. Let's learn about non-communicable diseases. What are non-communicable diseases? Non-communicable diseases are the diseases which do not spread from one person to another. They may be caused either by deficiency of nutrients or due to overnutrients. These diseases are not caused by germs. For example, cancer, lungs disease, heart disease, etc. They are not spread from one person to another one. Next topic is nutritional deficiency diseases. Nutritional deficiency diseases are caused due to deficiency or lack of a particular nutrient in our body, and this happens when we do not eat a balanced diet. Let's learn about nutrients related deficiency diseases and their symptoms. First, night blindness. This is the picture of night blindness. It is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. And what is the symptoms of this disease? Dry eyes, improper vision in dim light. Our next disease is beriberi. It is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B complex. Here is the picture of beriberi disease. And symptoms: loss of appetite. Appetite means bhook na lagna, and nervousness. Next is scurvy. It is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Here is the picture, and symptoms of scurvy is swollen and bleeding gums. Swollen means सूजन and bleeding gums means अचानक से मसूड़ों से खून आना. Rickets. It is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Here is the picture, and symptoms of the rickets are soft, weak and deformed bones. Goiter. Here is the picture of goiter. It is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. We will get iodine from salt. Symptoms of this disease: enlargement of neck region means गले का अचानक से बढ़ना. Anemia. It is caused due to the deficiency of iron. And what is the symptoms of this? Face and nails look pale, loss of weight. Vaccination. What is vaccination? Some communicable diseases like polio, tetanus, tuberculosis, chickenpox, etc. are very serious diseases. बच्चों, पोलियो, टिटनेस, ट्यूबरक्लोसिस, चिकन पॉक्स ये बहुत ही खतरनाक बीमारी होती है और उनसे बचने के लिए हमें वैक्सीन लेना आवश्यक होता है. What do you mean by vaccine? Vaccine is the substance which contain dead or weakened germs. It helps the body to develop immunity and against a disease. What do you mean by immunity? It is ability of the body to fight and kill the germs. Let's learn about vaccination chart. In this chart, name of the vaccine and age at which it is given. This vaccine we should start from childhood. First, BCG and OPV we have to take at the birth. Then second, DTP and OPV we have to take in 6th week. Then second dose of same vaccine we have to take 10th week, and third dose of the same vaccine we have to take 14th weeks. Next, measles vaccine. This vaccine we have to take in 9th month. Then DTP and OPV, they are the booster doses, and MMR means mumps, measles and rubella. This vaccine we have to take 18 month. DT vaccine we have to take in 5 years. Then at the last, tetanus toxoid we have to take 10 to 16 years. Now next topic is diseases caused due to overnutrition. Excess or overeating of a particular nutrient may also cause a diseases. For example, obesity or fatness is a result of overeating carbohydrates and fats. Such diseases can be controlled by eating a balanced diet, correcting wrong eating habits and exercising regularly. Some wrong food habits. So many people have some wrong food habits, like some people take too much of common salt in their diet. Consumption of too much salt may lead to high blood pressure, excessive intake of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E and K, it can be quite harmful. It affects liver and kidneys. Excessive consumption of fried and fatty foods causes obesity. So my dear children, I hope you understood this chapter very well and clear all the concepts. So my dear children, I hope you understood this chapter very well and clear all the concepts. You read this chapter at home and try to understand. Do the exercise regularly and take a proper diet. Take care, be safe.